While the rest of the country has seen a decrease in poverty, Washington is among the 3 states with the poverty rate rise. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, 915,000 Washington residents were living in poverty in 2012. The most recent data shows the population has increased to nearly 970,000. KXY4's Alyssa Donovan working for you tonight to find out why our poverty rate is so high and how the city of Spokane factors into all of this. Alyssa?
Well, Nadine, I'm here outside of the House of Charity in downtown Spokane, and this organization actually served 77,000 people last year, and the director says they're on track to serve even more this year.
The manager kicked me out of my apartment.
Why?
Because they think I was knocking on everybody's door, and they threw everything in my mom's away, my prosthetic leg away.
Robin Jones has been staying at House of Charity for about 5 months, but he was unable to get a bed at the shelter right away, so he was living on the streets.
I was sleeping under a bridge. Someone stole my wheelchair.
The director of House of Charity, Rob McCann, says they've seen the number of people seeking help increase by a few thousand.
Even though the census data may show that in the U.S. poverty is coming down a little bit, in Washington State, I'm afraid that's not the case, and certainly in Spokane, I can guarantee you that's not the case.
Now that Jones is staying at the shelter, the organization is helping him manage his Parkinson's disease and get a new prosthetic leg. Jones's story is more unique than most of the clients that pass through the door.
The reality is that the need is growing in our community, especially for people that are struggling, living on the margins, or really very vulnerable.
The 2 main reasons people find themselves at the shelter are substance abuse and mental health issues. Danny DeMarco is staying here while the organization helps him find a job.
They said that they would find me, I could volunteer, or I could possibly find work through a church services like these guys.
These issues are a common thread among cities with high poverty rates. But here in Spokane, there's another struggle.
We struggle with intergenerational poverty here, where mom and dad are poor, they have kids, those kids grow up, they're poor, those kids have kids, and the grandkids are poor.
If we want to see a change, we have to deal with some of the reasons, the institutionalized reasons, like how the money is allocated by the state and the county. And without a change, these numbers are likely to continue increasing. Reporting in downtown Spokane, I'm Alyssa Donovan, KXLY4 News.